Hello, it's a weekend. Yes, welcome today. Yes, daily practice continues again. Our daily practice, yes. In today's newspaper on Saturday and Sunday, Saturday, July the 1st, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku. Yeah, Medium Sudoku, 1st of July, and the Samurai Sudoku. This is what I will do tomorrow, Samurai Sudoku. And we have a complete puzzle page for Saturday and an additional for Sunday. The puzzle page of Saturday, we have here the 3 stars, well, it's 2 stars, maybe 2 stars, 1 star Sudoku, 3 star Sudoku, killer Sudoku. We have a binary puzzle 10 by 10. The taxonic. Half of these puzzles I will do in the evening on Saturday, and on Sunday here we have a puzzle page on Sunday. Yes, not puzzle page, additional letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars. Yeah, the 2 stars are back. The 3 stars also back. 4 star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve on a Sunday evening. So we have a complete puzzle festival, yeah. In the weekend, yeah. But first I will solve the regular puzzle, the regular medium Sudoku. Yeah, regular medium Sudoku. This will be number, I believe, number as 6683. 6683. Let me position this. 6683. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. This one has, let me count. Not done this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. 27 has 1 star, 25 has 3 stars, 24 4 stars. Yeah, for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. 2. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Yeah, 1 here, okay. And yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the 3rd column, so the column between. 2nd column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 3. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. Middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. The 2 in this row. The 2 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the column next, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row, third row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the third column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. Yeah. Need to think. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. You have 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Alright. 3, 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be here. So the other 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 9. So, okay, 8, so the 3 and the 9 are left, okay. Then. Yeah, need to think. 6, 6, okay. 1, 2, 3. The 5. No 9 here. Need a 7. Come on. 7. Need a 4 here. 4 in the last column. 4 in that column. So the column between. And only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Need a 4 here. Okay. 5. Need a 5 here. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. Interesting. 6, 6. Well, these 2, 9 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. Yeah. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So 7, 8, and the 9. 7, 8, and 9. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers in the first row are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in the third column. So no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 digit left for the number 7. Alright, 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have a 1 now in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 7. Oh, we have a pair. The 1 and the 7 in the first column. The 1 and the 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last row, 1 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. 2 stars? Well, no. It's a 1 star puzzle because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.